In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a sender in Gmail. This is a pretty handy skill to have up your sleeve, especially when you're trying to keep your inbox clean and free of unnecessary distractions. Whether it's spam or simply emails from a sender you're no longer interested in receiving messages from, Gmail has made it easy to block those unwanted emails with just a few clicks. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Gmail inbox. This is where all your incoming mail is housed, and it's the starting point for us today. Once you're there, the next step is to find the email from the sender you wish to block. You can do this in a couple of ways. If your inbox is quite full and you're not immediately seeing the email in question, you can use Gmail's search bar. This powerful tool allows you to quickly sift through your emails using keywords. Simply type in the name of the sender or any specific subject line that comes to mind related to the emails you want to block. Alternatively, if you already know where the email is among your other messages, or if it's a recent one, you can scroll through your inbox to locate it. This method might be quicker if you've just received an unwanted email and want to block the sender immediately. Once you've located the email, click to open it. This will bring up the full email conversation where you're given a range of actions you can take with it. However, for today's purpose, we are focusing on blocking the sender. To do this, look towards the upper right corner of the email window where you'll notice a three-dot menu icon. This is sometimes referred to as the More button, and it's where you'll find additional options that Gmail offers for managing your emails. Go ahead and click the three dots. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options, but we're interested in one in particular today, the Block option. It's important to note that once you click on this, Gmail will confirm your action by asking if you're sure you want to block the sender. If you proceed, all future emails from this sender will be automatically marked as spam and moved to your spam folder. This means they won't clutter up your inbox anymore and you won't have to deal with them directly. Clicking block might feel a bit final, but keep in mind that if you ever change your mind, Gmail allows you to unblock senders too. This flexibility means you're not making a forever decision, but rather giving yourself peace from unwanted communication for as long as you see fit. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step process to block unwanted email senders directly from your Gmail inbox. This feature is particularly useful for managing your digital space and keeping it aligned with your current preferences and needs. Whether it's spam, promotional content you're no longer interested in, or even emails from personal contacts you prefer not to hear from, Gmail's block feature is an effortless way to maintain control over what lands in your inbox. Before we wrap up, a quick tip: regularly review your block senders list. Over time, your preferences might change, or you might accidentally block someone. It's a good practice to periodically check who you've blocked to ensure your inbox reflects your current communication preferences. Thanks for joining me today for this instructional guide. Remember, managing your inbox effectively makes it easier to focus on the emails that truly matter to you. Blocking unwanted senders is just one of the many tools Gmail offers to help you do just that. Until next time, happy emailing.